Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few practice sums on finding square root using prime factorization. Let's do this first one. Find square root of 729. So let's find the factors of 729, and for prime factorization, we will use our regular method. It's not an even number, so 2 is not a prime factor. Let's look for 3. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, so 3 is a factor. So we'll start with 3. We reached 1, so we'll stop here. So factors of 729 are, and now what we need to do is we need to find the pairs, the factors in pairs. So if you see, this is one pair, one more pair, and one more pair. So we have 3 pairs of 3, and from each pair we will take this factor only one time. So for square root of 729 would be, so I'll take 3 from here, I'll take 3 from the second pair and 3 from the third pair, and that gives me 27. 27 is the square root of 729. Let's do the next one. Let's find square root of 1764. First factor we'll use 2 because it's an even number. 441 is not even number, so we'll look for 3. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 is divisible by 3, hence 3 is a factor. Still 3 is a factor. Nine plus 4, 13. 13 is not divisible by 3, so 3 is not a factor. Next prime number is 5. 5 is not a factor. Next prime number is 7. Yes, 7 is a factor. We reached 1, so we'll write these factors here. So 1764 is equal to multiplication of all these factors, and we'll find the pairs. We have these pairs, and for the square root we are going to take one factor from each pair. From here I will have 2, from here 3, and from here 7, and that's why the square root of 1764 is 42. Let's do one more. Let's take number 7744. First obviously is factor 2, as it is a even number. (121) is not even number, so 2 is not a factor. For 3, 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. 4 is not divisible by 3, so 3 is not a factor. 5 is not a factor. 7 not a factor, and hence the next prime number is 11. 11 is a factor. We reached 1, so we write down the factors and we multiply them to get 7744. So these are the factors and their multiplication is equal to 7744. And now we look for the pairs. We got the pairs. From each pair we'll take the factor once to get the square root of 7744. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8, 11s are 88. And 7744 is square of 88, or 88 is the square root of 7744. Let's do the next one. 5929. 2 is not a factor, so let's look for 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 3. I did not count, or I did not consider 9s because that is the method we have learned. if we have to sum the numbers, and if there is 9, we can ignore 9s. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 not divisible by 3, so 3 is not a factor. Then we'll look for 5. No, last digit is not 0 or 5, so 5 is also not factor. 7. Let's look for 7. 9 2s are 18. If I subtract 18 from 592, I get 574. Now 4 2s are 8. If I subtract from 57 8, I get 49. And yes, 49 is divisible by 7. So 7 is a factor for this. Okay, 7 8s are 56. We know 121, 11 is the factor of 121. We reached 1. So we got our all factors. And the pairs. And that's why the square root of 5929 is equal to 1 factor from each pair. That is equal to 77. Let's do one more. 9216. Start with 2. Nine, we need to look for 3, and finally we get 1. So these are all the factors of 9216. We'll write them, we'll multiply them to get 9216. And let's find the pairs. We found all the pairs, that means this is a complete square, and hence the square root of 9216 is equal to 1 factor from each pair. 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are 96. 9216 is square of 96.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.